Debbie.
Hey, Amalia.
It's nice to see you.
Good to see you.
You look very well rested.
So do you.
Yeah.
September is here, and so are we.
We are.
Ready to roll with the hot days of fall. But boy, are we ready for that.
We are. We have lots of lightweight, easy fabrics to keep you cool and comfortable, but seasonal and fashionable.
Right? All of those things.
Yep.
We're offering tons of dresses.
Tons of dresses.
And all kinds of lengths.
Of course, there are some fashion trends you might want to be aware of. Think pale. Don't be afraid. We put on a pair of
White pants.
or beige jeans because that's what's rocking and rolling this fall. So be a part of it.
Lots of beautiful tunics that will.
Yep, they will for sure
They
all
will.
day, and they're fantastic when they do that.
Anyway, and we
So-
also want to invite you into our downstairs showroom, which is emerging with furnishings and furniture and
For sure.
mirrors and lamps and tables and anyway,
Beautiful things
beautiful things.
upstairs.
We
and
miss
down.
you.